It's Hannah from WTI, and you have to get this game for your next game night. It's Connect 4 Shots. This game is so much fun. It's not the Connect 4 that you know and love, but it's a super fun, active version. Setup for this game is so easy. It literally takes seconds to do. You just slide it up and add the backboard. And then once you empty the trap at the bottom and let all the ping pong balls out, you are ready to play. It is so much fun. So the rules are that you have to bounce the ball on the table, and you are allowed to continue to use the ones that fall on the floor. So I recommend having someone running around picking all of them up. Once you have 4 in a row, you win. So I love playing this game, and I got my friends into it too. And we think that it is a great addition to your board game collection. And that is my point of view.